Bye. Hey guys, all set for the ride. And that's my bike. I don't know if you can see it in the night time. Still 5:47. Late by 45 minutes. Time to start the engines. 23 degrees, nice chilly morning, but can't feel anything because of the full gear. Full gear matlab literally top to bottom covered, so hardly can feel any wind or chill or anything. Bike's decently balanced, not perfect. I need to watch out for my panniers, and now I also have the top case. Just heading to Chaitanya's place. The 5 people who are going to the long ride to Chikmagalur and other destinations are me, Chaitanya, Shriman, Sroju, Kishore. There are a few others that are joining us on the ride today. We have Pranav, we have Aditya, we have Edwin, and maybe Shiva. 4 of us. 4 of them might join for a small stretch. Oh, quite gusty today, man. And also we have a lot of luggage. I've increased the suspension on this with the preload. So whenever you have bags, it's good to adjust the preload. There are only 3 settings. I've probably told this many times. You have a rider mode, rider plus luggage, and a rider and pillion. Unfortunately, this doesn't get rider plus pillion plus luggage. I think that's there on the 1250. I'm sounding a little low, maybe because it's just that there's too much in my head. I've always, whenever you start from the home, right, you keep thinking, what did you forget, what did you forget, what did you forget. This time I have my wallet, my phone, AirPods. Those are the main important things, but we'll know what we missed once we head to Chikmagalur or in a day or two. That always happens. There is one thing that you always miss. But luckily, I planned as if I was leaving yesterday morning, not today morning, so most of the stuff was done. But still, last night I was packing till 9:30, doing the vlog that you just saw previously. Hey buddy, here at Chaitanya's place, the bike's ready. Sorry bro. What's up? పొద్దున్నే లేచావు రైడ్కి?
రోజు
తగ్గావు. Hey, this is your riding gear?
Yeah, airflow.
More comfortable, huh? This is Chaitanya's new helmet. GoPro. Watch out, chai on 2 wheels.
Thanks for the shout out, man.
Hey, నేను ఇస్తారా? The more shout out, నువ్వు కూడా రికార్డ్ చేసి నీ వ్లాగింగ్ యాక్చువల్లీ మైక్ పెడితే యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో వ్లాగ్. గివ్ ద కంటెంట్ టు అస్. నైస్. ఏనా బండి స్టార్ట్ అవట్లా? సైడ్ స్టాండ్ ది. ఓకే, రోలింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. క్వికర్, ఇట్ వర్క్స్. హ్యాపెండ్ బిఫోర్. లెట్ మీ పుట్ దిస్ అసైడ్. ఒకసారి పట్టుకో. ఇది దున్నపోతుంది జరుపుతా. అరే రోలింగ్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోద్దిరా, డోంట్ వేస్ట్ టైం. కాకపోతే సమ్మన్ హ్యాస్ టు పుష్, ఎందుకంటే డౌన్ హిల్ లేదుగా ఇక్కడ. వన్ మోర్ ట్రై. క్లచ్ పట్టుకుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఐ పుట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ దేర్, సడన్లీ వదిలేస్తా. సరే చూద్దాం. యా, ఆల్మోస్ట్. ఇగ్నిషన్ ఇవ్వాలి, because it has to crank up, right? No. యాడ రాక ఓడ సారే వస్తారు. మా ఆదిత్య వచ్చుంటే అన్నీ సెట్ ఉండే. టీ హెల్మెట్ ఏంటి ఇన్ని బండ్లు వస్తే ఆగదా మరి ట్రిప్? అడ్వెంచర్ అవ్వదా? చంటే మామిడి బ్యాగులు సర్దుకుంటున్నాడు.
మంచి క్యూట్.
మరి ఇదేంట్రా? ఇదేంటి గడ్డం నిన్న చేసినా ఇప్పుడే వచ్చేసింది. మామిడి బైక్ ఛార్జ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. 17%. పర్లేదు అలవాటు అవుతుంది.
ఈసారి వాడు
ఎల్లో నుంచి గ్రీన్కి వచ్చి
మా బండ్లకి పడిపోతే పెట్టుకున్నారు. బట్ సిద్ధు నేనేం అనలేను రా, ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ నాతో అయింది కాబట్టి
ట్రిప్ మొత్తం
నీ ట్యూబుల్ ఏం అనలేను, వాడి అటకమ్మని ఏం అనలేను.
ఏంటి బ్యాటరీ
ఫ్యూల్ లేదు నీ సైకిల్ ఎప్పుడు ఉందిరా ఫ్యూల్?
6 months నుంచి గట్టి తీయలేదు కదా.
ప్రతి రైడ్ కి ఒక అడ్వెంచర్ అవ్వాలి. ఏంటిది ఏంటిది యాచకం ఏంటి?
అంటే
బ్రేక్ వేసుకుని ఏం చేస్తున్నావురా? అవును స్ట్రాప్స్ ఎక్కడ దొరికి? ఏ బాగా కూర్చున్నావురా? ఏ మిస్టర్ ఆస్ట్రోనాట్, ఆల్ ద బైక్స్ ఆర్ రెడీ. అరే వాడిని లైట్ అమ్మని రా, ఇప్పుడే ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టాం. బాయ్ చంటి. అయితే విల్ మిస్ యూ బ్రో, కమ్. బాయ్ బాయ్ బాయ్స్. అయితే Edwin, Chanti, who else? Pranav, dispose that way. 2 hour delay. 2 hours later, we're taking the service route to the Bangalore road. There is a longer route through Medipatnam, but that's too far. This route is adventurous though. Finally we hit the highway and we hit the traffic. Actually we came decently fast on that service road. Last में थोड़ा off-roading हुआ, and but from here till Anantapur it's just a straight highway guys, straight highway. We'll probably stop at Food Pyramid for breakfast, so we're gonna do non-stop till there because we already lost so much of time waiting for Chaitanya's battery to come alive. My only concern is, what if it stops again at a breakfast place when he turns off the bike? That's a big concern. We got the battery charger, so if it stops somewhere we can quickly recharge it for 15-20 minutes and then go from there. First toll of the ride. అన్నా పోతావా? Where is Kishore? 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 I don't see him in ahead of me also. Indian oil, Indian oil. Fuel brick. Full tank, full tank. ఇంకొస్తుంది 900 కొట్టేసిండు. కొట్టేసిరా 10. అరే కానీ ట్యాంక్ బ్యాగ్ మస్తు ఉందిరా.
A few moments later.
First stop Food Pyramid. Second stop. Hey. అక్కడంత ఖాళీ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. How was your first long ride in a long time? పర్లేదు చెప్పచ్చు. బండి స్టార్ట్ అవుద్దంటావా? అంతకేం అవ్వలేదురా. హాయ్ రా. ఏ యో ఈటింగ్ ఇడ్లీ? ఎన్ని రోజులు ఇట్లా ప్రశాంతంగా తిని? ఏంటి నువ్వు ఎప్పుడో వచ్చావు కదరా? ఏ కోల్డ్ బ్రూ మరి అలా ఉందేంటి? హౌస్ యర్ బ్లాక్ కాఫీ?
యాక్చువల్లీ బాగానే ఉంది.
4.5 నుంచి 7
బికాస్ ఆఫ్ షుగర్ ఫ్రీ.
చైతన్యాస్ కోల్డ్ బ్రూ. పెసరట్టు ఓవర్. దోశ ఓవర్. Idli still going on.
So time is 10:25.
Update.
Just got done with breakfast here. Food was good, pretty decent.
Enti? Maybe next week lunch break or we'll stop for snacks. Ready to eat food?
Protein powder.
200.
Food in Anantapur.
Because Anantapur is a right diversion. So we'll have a diversion from Anantapur. Better to stop before we get to that point because after that it's a single lane highway. Already late by 2-3 hours. So we wish to make time. Let's see. And we'll catch you guys on the road. Unlike our previous breakfasts, this is probably the shortest in a proper restaurant. Me, Shriman, we used to stop by roadside, have some ready to eat food. But since this guy came, we've been having food. This is our first stop. Kishore had to cite his luggage, so that's why he came early here. Amazing, zing, amazing. I know you guys can't see clear too much of the traffic, too much of the road, but this is important for me. If it's dirty, if I clean it, it's fine. The last Mahabaleshwar trip, there was so much of rain, so there was so much of muck, and that's why you didn't see. But if it's clear, this should be fine, hopefully. But for me, while touring, this is much needed, guys. Inko 150 kilometers straight, amma. Another 150. We have reached Kurnool. This is a big city, Kurnool. Once a capital of AP. Probably the 3rd or 4th toll plaza. Hey, off-road toll. Chaitanya nuncholedu. ఇంత కర్నూలు దగ్గర మామూలు రోడ్డు మీద నుంచును. చైతన్య స్టేటస్ అప్డేట్.
Welcome back, guys. So the time is now 12 p.m.
Finally we reached Andhra Pradesh. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాను లాంగ్ టైమ్ అప్పుడు అప్డేట్ ఇలే కదా.
So the ride's going pretty well. I'm able to maintain decent speed actually. Obviously the most efficient speed is 129.5 kilometers per hour.
0.6.
0.6. Oh,
0.6.
yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Actually అది daylight saving తో ఇంప్రూవ్ అయింది.
ఇంకా డిస్టెన్స్ అవుతుంది.
ఏంటి
ఇంకా డిస్టెన్స్ అవుతుంది.
తగ్గినంత
మిస్ అయింది. Jokes aside, we are like 100 kilometers from Anantapur. 130 ఎప్పుడో రా. Long time back. Just off of fuel. Quick fuel break. He had to refuel. Also, we all fueled up again. How's the ride?
Good.
Enjoying? You're at 1250. Your bag is sorted. This bag was hitting his back quite a lot, hence he had to adjust it. It's a completely black dot Verna with some violet color wheels. Arre. Another 6 hours to go to the hotel. We reached Anantapur. There is a deviation from here. Sure.
Going to Bangalore?
No, we're going to Chikmagalur.
Chikmagalur. Okay, that's before Bangalore, right?
It's a different route to Bangalore. We're taking a right here.
They're very excited by your bikes. They've been following you right from the time you crossed us twice.
Thank you.
They're all BMWs. You keep doing these rides, is it?
Sometimes, yeah.
Okay.
We are going through some internal routes here. Okay, this is Anantapur. Lot of traffic, decent traffic. Okay, 23 kilometers on this route. So this goes to Kalyan Durgam. ఈ రూట్లో 23 kilometers in this route. We're still in Anantapur town, decent traffic. We've been trying to find a spot to have some lunch, but take a look at this place. Hardly any trees where we can find some shade and sit underneath or have some food. Next Chetu, found a spot. ఎప్పుడు ఉల్టా ఆపాల్సిందే. ఈ ముందేదో స్క్రీన్ కూడా ఉంది, ముందే స్క్రీన్ ఉంది. నైస్ ఇంటరాక్టబుల్. టచ్, నో టచ్.
అన్నిసార్లు టచ్ చేయాలి
అంటే ఒకసారి క్విక్ లంచ్ అండ్ దెన్ 6 hours. That's my lunch.
ఏమైందిరా?
వాడు గుర్తొచ్చింది, ఫైనలీ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ లంచ్. ఈ లంచ్ ఏంటన్నా? సేమ్ డబ్బా.
వరల్డ్ ఫేమస్, ఇండియా ఫేమస్.
Why is it so red in color?
ఇట్స్ నాట్ రెడ్, it is chocolate brown. అది తీసి చూడు.
Chocolate brown peanut butter,
వే ప్రోటీన్.
whey protein. You same dabba. Less
సిమిలర్.
Suju is having big bill bath. నీదేంటి?
నేనైతే ప్రోటీన్ షేక్ తాగినప్పుడు.
ప్రోటీన్ షేక్. విల్ గెట్ ఎ స్పూన్ సూన్. సార్ అసలు ఈ డబ్బాలో ఏమున్నాయి చూద్దాం.
దిస్ ఇస్ మై ఫుడ్ బ్యాగ్.
హే, దట్ ఈస్ రత్నజీ ప్రోటీన్ బార్.
ఎపిసోడ్ 2.
అరే పొద్దున తీసుకోవడం మర్చిపోయిన టాబ్లెట్.
I have at least 6 of them, but not as neatly packed. There is a bag for every damn thing. Bag ki bag, bag ki bag.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes. Organization bro, important.
Nice. ఇది ఓట మొత్తం ట్రిప్ మొత్తం సరిపోయి ఓటరా.
ఇంకొక ½ kg బ్యాగ్ ఉంది.
నైస్. మల్టీవిటమిన్ టాబ్లెట్. ఇది డెడికేషన్ డైట్ అంటే. He lost so much of weight that he found pushing this bike actually hard. Arey, his hands look very thin, like bare bones. Bare bones. He couldn't push the bike fully. Vegan.
యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉందంట.
ఏం యాసిడ్?
యూరిక్ యాసిడ్.
అంటే ఉచ్చ.
నువ్వు షేకా?
ఆల్ ఆఫ్ us are shakers. Shaker Kambas.
We are like 73 kilometers and 5 hours 47 minutes to the destination. Pretty much the road's going to be like this, so nothing exciting, but we hope to reach before nightfall so that we don't face village traffic, or raat mein state highways are slightly more risky, so that's why we try to do it in the daytime as much as possible, even though we have auxiliary lights which are quite powerful and help us with the route. This so far has been pretty decent route, but I don't know how it's going to be after we go to the Kalyan Durgam road. My father used to actually come to Kalyan Durgam quite a lot, so he used to talk so much about people in Anantapur. Apparently they are the most friendliest people that he has come across. There is a dish famous here in Anantapur called Polelu, or it's basically Puran Poli in North India and Bobatlu in Andhra, and it's super tasty here, guys. You'd usually get them in the Anantapur town pretty easily, but my mom loved those whenever we got them. Good old days, miss those times. Anyway, 5.5 hours of a ride. Maybe we can cover this in 5 hours including breaks if the road's like this and hardly any traffic. But love this terrain. It's not anything that like we have seen before, entirely different. Going through the town of Kalyan Durg, decently big town. Straight. Another 22 kilometers on this route. One of the best things about this route are these big ass wind farms. we officially entered Karnataka, man. Nice. Another, what, 200 kilometers to go to hotel? But it will take 3.5 hours, I guess. 4 hours. Roads been good and bad. Mostly good like this. But bumpy, speed breakers, villages. But the weather's been lovely throughout the day, just like this. Best part of the ride so far, the weather. Open road. Pura. Such an expansive space, man. Currently I have only like 6-7 kilometers of fuel left. It's already in reverse. Kept it on cruise mode till now because just wanted to save fuel till the next bunk. Apparently the next bunk is in like 4-5 kilometers, so we should technically reach there. Once it shows empty also, there can be 1-2 kilometers there, so not an issue. But just wanted to preserve fuel because we couldn't find any petrol bunk in the last 105 kilometers. We found one, but it was not that great. Better not to get bad fuel than any fuel. But I just love this view, man. We're going somewhere into those hills. Like we're 160 kilometers from the hotel. Sure, it's much farther than that, but it's just that this route is finally good. The previous route section that we had was state highway, half of this, some bad patches through the villages, speed breakers and all. Not that great. The other guys have left to check for the petrol bunk. I think it's nearby, so it should be fine. You see the range? Just 1 kilometer left and we are in the petrol bunk. अरे 14.7 liters रे और 0.3 liters बाकी था इसमें. Just only 0.3 left. Crazy, man. His heating is clear. What it fitted again. Disconnected it in the morning.
Yeah. That's
Working. Yeah. मेरा छोटा water.
foggy water, right?
Foggy water. Another 150 kilometers and probably 3 hours to go. So we'll have maybe one more break till we reach the hotel. Just maybe some small snack break. Otherwise we're all set to go. Nice cloudy skies, some sun and lovely roads. Damn. Ayyo. Damn. Hope they are safe. Oh, nice. Those windmills look good on the mountain. Oh. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా ఓ నైస్ అని ఎందుకన్నాను. Just lovely views, man. Another 100 kilometers to the hotel, 2 hours, but I think we'll reach there in 1.5 hours. Thoda night time mein little hard, but we got powerful lights, so all good. Lovely scenery for this small little town. Don't know the name of this place, but they have one hell of a view. I don't know if you can see, but this is how riding in the night would be, especially in Ghats. Very scenic location, but all these coconut trees. We finally reached the hotel, bro. Chikmagalur.
The Chikmagalur hotel.
After
and spa.
After how long? The last 2 hours were fun, right?
It was very fun. Yeah.
Why?
Pitch dark, full rain, and obviously we don't have any rain gear. You couldn't see anything. The oncoming lights are like,
Blinding.
yeah, very blinding. I was just following your tail light. He was following my tail light.
He had no Sana. He was missing climb, big time.
I couldn't see anything. I could only see Sujan's one dot. It's light. That's it. I was following that blind.
Did you miss your climb?
He wore his old climb. It was actually filled with water and held it inside like a balloon.
They would kill her first.
And actually, Kishore rode well. Surprisingly,
Kishore did a good job.
Good job.
Proud of Kishore.
About him?
One credit Siddhu.
He was crying and bitching all the way, but he did it.
About him?
Siddhu is a natural
Pro,
born leader.
he led the most of the ride.
He led the toughest part of the ride.